Hello, please introduce yourself.
Hello, sister. My name is Bảo Trân.
I'm okay. What are your favorite clothes?
I, yes, and yes, and
What do you wear at home?
um,
I wear.
I wear, yes, uh, red,
What color is your t-shirt?
and orange, yellow, and blue,
What color are your socks?
and soft,
What color are your socks?
and blue.
Blue. What do you wear when it's cold?
And cold.
What do you wear when it's hot?
And,
How many rooms are there in your house?
the house,
How many rooms are there in your house?
uh,
What do you do in the living room?
and TV,
Yes? What do you do in the living room?
and TV,
Okay. What do you do in the dining room? Can you eat in the bedroom? Can you eat in the bedroom? Yes or no?
no,
Where is your bedroom?
this is bedroom. Uh,
Okay, next. What are your favorite foods?
I uh, fish,
What have you got for breakfast?
a carrot,
What's in your lunchbox today?
a banana, milk sandwich,
What food is good for your health?
and milk, and fish,
What foods are not good for your health?
and milk.
Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.
Yes, bye, sister.